What is a vertical? Well, a vertical is just a combination of buying and selling either a call or a put. And we do this because it defines our risk, and we'll see how that works in a second. There's two kinds of verticals. There are short verticals, which means we sell them for a credit. Remember our terminology, short equals credit. So we sell these verticals for a credit, and this is similar to, just like before, selling calls or selling puts. Just think of the exact same thing, except in this case you'll see we actually can define our loss. But it's no different than just selling what they call naked options, just the calls and puts with the undefined risk. And there's something called long verticals, which we now know long equals debit equals cost. So long verticals are something that we buy for a cost. And this is similar to just buying calls or buying puts outright. Except you'll see in this case, by defining our risk, we actually increase our POP.